Vivo unveils BlueOS, based on Rust language, making debut with Vivo Watch 3. Vivo unveils BlueOS operating system. At the 2023 Vivo Developer Conference, the tech giant unveiled its cutting-edge operating system, BlueOS, alongside the latest iteration of OS for smartphones and tablets. BlueOS is a forward-looking, self-developed operating system designed to support a diverse range of devices, even those with minimal configurations like a 200 MHz CPU and 32 MB of RAM or maximum configurations of 4 GHz CPU and 24 GB RAM. The standout feature of Vivo BlueOS is its utilization of the Rust programming language, marking a global first in building a system framework for an operating system. This innovative system boasts extensive capabilities, supporting large models and multimodal interactions. The operating system's expansive input capabilities cover voice, picture, text, video, gesture, sign language, and even brainwave recognition. BlueOS leaps forward in application development, allowing for automatic code generation and the creation of personalized desktops, wallpapers, and themes. One of the key highlights is BlueOS's support for the BlueX-Link connection protocol, employing a distributed design concept that ensures compatibility with industry-standard protocols. This facilitates seamless, secure data flow and access across multiple devices, catering to a wide array of scenarios in smart homes, travel, and office environments. Vivo's upcoming devices, the Vivo Watch 3 series, will be among the initial products to feature the BlueOS operating system. However, it's important to note that BlueOS does not support Android applications. Presently, it offers access to applications like Alipay, Baidu Maps, and Himalaya, and is compatible with the HappyJ's fast application standards. The launch of BlueOS represents Vivo's commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation in the realm of operating systems, heralding a new era of intelligent technology and seamless connectivity for users across various domains.